So another update video with Roman. We just got his kitchen re-cleaned, threw some garbage away, got the floor scrubbed, made some, took out the bug traps, made some new little fruit fly traps, put them out. Hopefully it caught a lot of them. There are not many left in there now. So how are you now before I go start the wood stove?
Huh?
How are you doing with your life?
I feel pretty good today.
Okay.
Except for my the muscles in my legs hurt. That's why I had that blanket on, heating pad on. I'm going to do it again tonight.
Okay.
And then tomorrow I want to change the bedclothes. Do one thing at a time, so.
Yeah. So.
Well,
I don't think it's snowing out yet.
it ain't snowing yet, huh?
Nope.
It's supposed to rain.
Rain and snow.
Tomorrow, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And wind.
So.
Well, if it gets too cold tomorrow, if I can get Danny to come, I'll get him to.
Yeah, he'll be able to come too.
Or maybe you can come. I don't know.
Yeah, it depends on what time I have to work or whatever. Somebody will come start it, or Dad.
Yeah, well, I told him when he was here the last time when he made fire that when I wanted him, I'd call his mom. She'd tell him.
Okay, so you want more wood in today than last time?
I'll put one block more in.
Okay.
If you can find a bigger round block, you know.
Yeah.
There should be some there yet.
Okay. I'll go check it.
Well, I don't know. I'm cold.
Well, it's only 70 in here.
Oh, I know it's 70 in
You're used to 80.
But the furnace comes on, I don't even feel it.
Well, furnace heat is a different kind of heat than wood heat.
I know, but there's times I can feel the heat, and today I can't feel it at all.
Okay.
Even in the kitchen this morning, I couldn't feel the heat. It was cold.
Well, furnace is working because it's warm.
Well, as long as the electricity's on, I'm all right.
Yeah, well, if it goes out, we'll just come start the stove.
Yeah.
Or you just come over.
Yeah, all depends if you can get in.
Oh, with the truck. Come pick you up with the snowmobile.
Huh?
Pick you up with the snowmobile.
Oh, no. I couldn't sit down on a snowmobile anyway.
You ever ride on one?
Yeah, I did.
Did you have one?
No, I didn't have one. My cousin had one. He gave me a ride in the yard. That was the first and last one I had.
When was that?
Oh, maybe 40 years ago. I didn't like it at all.
Uh-huh.
He didn't go very fast or anything. Well, I was freezing on it.
Uh-huh.
Well, I suppose you gotta like something like that.
Yeah, you gotta like to freeze to death.
I don't.
Yeah. We're running a little bit low on wood here. We got some left. We want some bigger stuff in today, so we'll use some of that over in the corner. And we'll get the fire started first over here with the old wood stove. It's been working good after me and Danny cleaned the pipes. About that much.
Oh, that should be all right.
You see that or not?
Oh, that should be enough.
Okay.
Just there.
It might be a little bit warm, so.
The last time you did it was just perfect.
Well, I added more than last time, because you want a bigger one.
Yeah.
So.
Well, the wind is taking all the heat out of the house.
Okay.
So.
Yeah.
Oh, you.
Because last time I just took one of those. Remember those boards that Rick brought you? Remember Rick brought you them boards, those 4x4s, and he cut them up?
Oh.
I threw a couple of them in last time, then some small ones and one big one. Now I put a couple small ones, 2 big ones, and then 2 of those other ones.
That should be warm enough for today.
Yeah, what's the temperature now outside? How warm is it outside?
I don't know.
It's 30 degrees out, but it feels like 21.
Yeah, well.
It's supposed to get down to a low of 30 tonight. So, but we'll see how much
Oh,
wind.
that should be warm enough for today.
13-mile-per-hour winds right now. But then the Morrison County Sheriff says it's supposed to be worse than that.
Well, maybe it will be. I don't know. They don't know either.
It's supposed to be 1 to 3 inches of snow and ice accumulating around 1/10 of an inch. Winds gusting of high as 50 miles per hour.
Yeah.
So we'll have to see.
That's going to break the high line.
Yeah. Do you want Danny to come tonight and put in?
No, maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll just call us.
I'll call them in the morning.
All right.
At least you want to talk to them.
Well, you have to let me know what you want.
Well, I'll call them in the morning.
Okay. Or call me. Whatever.
No. Well, I'll call her, Sue, in the morning.
Okay. Well, you call somebody.
I'm going to change them tonight.
We'll videotape you making coffee.
Huh?
We'll videotape you making coffee.
Boy, there ain't much coffee left in here.
You got another one back there?
I know. And I got some over there, too. I already made coffee and forgot to put the coffee in.
Uh-huh.
And by the time I made put the coffee in, I forgot to put the water in.
How that taste?
It didn't taste worthless. What are you going to do this afternoon?
I go to work. I go to Northland's after this and go pay my bill for fixing my car. And then I could go pay my dentist bill too before it snows in Little Falls.
There's always something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I paid all the bills, and then yesterday one come.
For what?
Garbage. Not garbage, but recycling.
Yeah. Okay, well, you have a good day.
And you too.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yep, bye. Tell him bye. I told Danny about the mice poison. He said he'll bring some over.
Okay.
And he has a key, so he'll come. I'll lock the door.
Well, I know you give him a key.
Yeah, and I'll lock the door.
The last time he come here, he opened the door himself.
Good. Alrighty, bye.
Yeah.